So you have to go back to my stage zero.
Well,
I will be
I
getting
think we have some company.
We will be having a peace time for 500 days. Like that. Oh wait, my mouse is still not
100
ready.
days?
Until 500 days. Wait, until 500? Actual?
Really?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, okay,
I
okay, okay.
think my
Well,
mouse
how
is
do I
still
how do
ready
I
to be
not know
honest.
this? You already talked about. Okay, so,
But
listen.
not
No,
Andre.
I'm gonna watch from over here. Let me get that chair.
Always sliding on a stair.
Let me get a chair. Oh, wait.
The book. Joe, what's your
I'm
time?
watching
Chair.
here.
Okay.
Oh, thank you.
How to the general
Yeah, you have
generation
invis.
Aray.
Give me like give me this spots.
Masisira talaga
Ano
armor ko,
hobbies
Vex.
you have?
Visit ka.
In line with this all active players
Pinag-aaralan mo, Minecraft o ano?
in the Veltius we shall not
Friends.
so much in the end. So we avoid that in the void. In the end lang?
Arkin, can I have?
Di.
Arkin,
Lang.
can I have
It is everywhere.
invis?
Ha?
I'm gonna get more.
I have an invis spot. Like what?
Hindi man siya.
Bring it some. Wait, wait.
Will be punished.
One.
Lastly, there will be no act of grief from auto farms. All team leaders are allowed to be grieved. So, pwede pa rin siya mga grief kahit
Jacket mo, kuya, oh.
nag-ano. History.
Nag.
Di.
Not make any sense. What do you mean?
depende
That's not
kung card.
peace. That is
Joke lang!
not peace.
That legit defies
Uy, ayos, smash.
everything.
By
No?
tying
What?
the
No?
society to abide always to educate all players to anyone.
Why is it sliding?
Your house to sign it. I don't know how to sign.
Just put your name. Just put your name. Just put your name.
It's like
Inside.
put Nancy Melty and then just signed by yeah.
I know how
Yeah.
I know how to play Minecraft.
Yeah.
Yes.
No worries.
Enter book title.
Yeah. Yeah.
Invis Mockery.
Yeah. Aray ko, Arkin, ano ba?
Oh, you took no damage.
Okay,
I
guys,
took like 100 million damage.
no damaging guys.
Oo, yan, yan.
That's the end of
It's
video.
not
Yan.
Guys, goodbye.
Exactly, bro.